Okay, this is an overview of the safety features that I've installed in the tractor here. The first one I want to show is the main safety feature, and I'm quite pleased with this. I've put it on the brake, so there's the brake pedal that's here. I've secured it. I've put this bracket on the brake pedal, and that bracket is connected to an air actuated cylinder. So right now the brake is up. I have this connected to the throttle channel on my remote on the DX9 remote. So when the throttle channel is up, the brake is off. When the throttle channel is low, the brake is on. And this tractor has a continuously variable transmission, so this stops the tractor very quickly, but with no damage to the tractor. You can't shut the ignition off on this tractor because of this transmission, because the whole thing comes to a grinding stop in a big hurry. I tried it at really slow speed, and I was pretty sure if I did that at full speed, I'd tear my tractor in half. So this is a much better alternative. Also, if the throttle ever becomes, if the receiver, the remote ever becomes disconnected, the brakes will apply. If the pixhawk loses power, which I can show here, the brakes will apply. I'm not going to do this actually, because I want to show some other features first. And the nice thing about this, it's on this this relay board. That's what controls the air actuated cylinder, and it also has some spots over there you can see for limit switches. So what I plan to do yet before fall is I'm going to put a big bar in front of the tractor, and that bar is going to trip a switch, and if that bar ever hits anything, the switch will trip and the brakes will go on. So in some ways I much prefer that to any kind of radar or something like that, although I would like to add that at some point, but I think this is a more reliable safety feature. The other way to stop the tractor is with the shuttle shift, which is here. I'm going to turn it on for you now. You can see this tractor is moving quite slowly. That is because the first gear is set for 9 kilometers an hour, but I have it rigged up over here on a little actuator, and it was at its slowest setting. And its slowest setting is just above a walking speed. So as a matter of last resort, if all you could control, if for whatever reason I lost control of the brake and I lost control of the shuttle shift and I still had control of this, if it was turned to the very slowest speed, it is possible that you could hop into this tractor while it's moving and shut it down. Although not something you ever want to do, it is possible. So that movement ranges between 0 and 10 kilometers an hour. I think that's where I'm going to leave it. I don't think there's anything else to show for safety features right now. I can unplug the pixhawk and show the pedal dropping again. So that's a nice safety feature, because if something ever gets wonky in there or gets fried, the tractor will shut down. It should be noted that the shuttle shift over here that starts and stops the tractor is the nicest way to do it, but so that's been hooked up to the throttle channel, so any of the fail-safes built into APM Rover control the shuttle shift here. And This fail-safe on the ground, well, it's very robust and works very well. This is the one that if it needs to be used, I need to ask why it happened, because I really don't want to use the brake system here, but it is very reliable and very robust. I trust it quite a bit. So coming up in the next couple of days here, I should have a video with no one in the cab. Got to do a little bit of testing first, but it should be soon. I don't foresee too many problems. Okay, that's it for today.